good morning, Kriyansh. How are you? Your video is nice. Your greeting is very nice. Thank you. You unmute and speak to me. Speak with me. Good morning, Surya Teja. Good morning. Good morning, beta. Hi. What happened all this days, Kriyansh? Why didn't you come? What happened? What, ma'am? You unmuted.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yavi. Hi, good morning, Pragna. How are you? How are you? Say, I am fine, teacher. Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Who am I? You know? What, ma'am? Okay, thank you.
Teachers there.
Good morning, Charlie. Hi, good morning. Your video is very nice. Yeah, tell me, Pragna. Tell me. Say hi, everyone. Pragna, say hi, everyone. See, Charvi, Surya. Today, your new friend came. Pragna, say hi. You also say hi to her.
Thank you.
You, Kriyansh. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Yavi, Charvi. Say hi to Pragna. Say hi to Pragna. Your new friend. Hi, good morning, Aradhya.
Morning.
Good morning. Aradhya. Aradhya. See your okay. Say hi to Pragna. Your old friend. Your old friend Pragna. Pragna, you also say hi to everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Okay. Now we'll do the prayer, children. Stand up. What is there in your hand, Aradhya? What did you do, Aradhya? Why you have color in your hand, Aradhya? What did you do? You did. Good morning, Jaisimha. Good morning, Pradyumna. Good morning, Surya Teja.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, now stand, children. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands. Join your hands. Yes. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. जिसने सूरज चांद बनाया, जिसने सूरज चांद बनाया, जिसने तारों को चमकाया, जिसने तारों को चमकाया, जिसने फूलों को महकाया, जिसने फूलों को महकाया, जिसने चिड़ियों को चहकाया, जिसने चिड़ियों को चहकाया, हम उस मालिक के गुण गाएं, हम उस मालिक के गुण गाएं, सदा प्रेम से शीश झुकाएं, सदा प्रेम से शीश झुकाएं. Good morning, Jaisimha. Hi. Your video is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, children. Okay, now we'll do Guru Brahma, children. Pradyumna, stand up and do the prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay, children. Hi. Good morning, Ritik. Good morning, Sai Rayansh. Hi, beta. Thank you for your greetings, Ritik. Sai Rayansh. Thank you for your greetings. It was very nice. Sai Rayansh, look at me.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh. Okay, welcome, beta. Welcome. Okay, today we'll do one new song, children, Telugu song. You all of you repeat after me. Okay? Okay, children, come on. మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ. Repeat after me again. మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ. మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు. మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు. కడుపులో బంగారు కనుచూపులో కరుణ. కడుపులో బంగారు కనుచూపులో కరుణ. చిరునవ్వులో సిరులు దొరలించు మా తల్లి. చిరునవ్వులో సిరులు దొరలించు మా తల్లి. మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ. మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు. Okay, children, daily we'll sing this song. Okay, you should repeat after me. Okay, yes, you practice at home also. Okay, children, now sit down, everyone. Sit down, all of you. Sit down right now. Yes. Shall we do exercises, children? See, exercises, children. See now most of the time you are in front of the cameras only, you are feeling stressed now, then you will get a relief if you do the eye exercises. Okay? Yes? Now show me, first we'll do rotate our eyeballs, children. See here, we have eyeballs in our eyes. Just we'll rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay? You look at me and do. You all of you. Later we'll do the thumb one. Okay, Charvi? Come on now. Rotate your eyeballs. Look straight. Like this. Up, down. Slowly you should. Don't move your face. Then anti-clockwise, back side. Like this. Yes? You feel relief, children, if you do like that. You are sitting most of the time in front of the cameras. Yes, na? So that's why you'll get relief. Now open your thumb, children. Keep it straight. Come on. Take out your, show me your thumb finger. Charvi? Yeah. Keep straight, children, not like this. Straight. Your hand should be straight. And just you look at the thumb only. Don't look at the other side. Just you look at the thumb. Then move forward. The thumb finger in front of your face like this. Then slowly you move back your thumb finger. Like this. Your hand should be straight, not like this. Straight like this. Okay? Then again forward. Sit properly, Aradhya. Then move your thumb finger again forward to your face. Then go back. Slowly you go back. Then again move forwards. Move forward. Then back. Just you have to look at the finger only, thumb finger only. Okay. Then now we'll move the thumb finger, children. Just to keep your hand straight with your thumb finger. You should not move your face. Just you have to move your thumb finger and move your eyeballs. Whichever your hand is going, that side only you should see. You should not move your face like this. Okay? Just you have to move your thumb and your eyeballs. First we'll do left side. Slowly. Then come to straight slowly. Then right side. Just you have to move your eyeballs, children, not the face. Then again, slowly, straight. Then again we'll move to left. Your hand should be straight. Then right. Then again, straight. Okay. Now good morning, Nanashruti. Hi. Good morning. Your video is very nice, Nanashruti. Thank you so much. Now.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome, beta. Now blink your eyes, children. See here, your eyes should blink. Open, close, like this. Open, close, just like this you do. Fast. You'll get good relief if you do this. Then closely tight your eyes like this. Slowly close your eyes tightly. Then open. Then close. Close it tightly and open. Then again close it tightly. Then open. Okay? Yes? Daily we'll do these activities so that we can get relief from our eyes. Okay? Yes? Yes, children? Okay. See, today I'm going to teach a new topic, children. Yes? You want to learn that? Yes, na? Okay. See, in our GK today we are going to learn a new theme, that is plants. Okay, you know plants, na children? If you see outside, you can see so many plants everywhere, greenery around us. If you go out and see around you, what do you see first? Plants, green color plants. Plants are in green color. Yes, na children? Plants are different shapes, different sizes. Plants give us air. Yes, plants give us air, vegetables, fruits, grains. Isn't it? So many we'll get from the plants. So we should plant a tree. We should plant the trees now. Yes, very big plants are called trees, like banyan tree, neem tree. They are very big. The small plant only will grow into a big trees. Now I'll show you a potted plant, children. See, here I have a potted plant. All of you have plants in your home, children? Yes? All of you have plants? Yes? Plants are different shapes and sizes. Here it is a small plant. Later it will grow into a very big. Some plants grow very big and tall. That are called trees. Very big plants are called trees. Oh, very nice. You have a plant. Very good. Very nice, Yavi. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So, if we have so many plants and plants give us so many things to us, we get fruits, we get vegetables, we get grains, we get cotton, everything. So many things we get from the plants. So, plants are very useful to us. Okay. And this is a potted plant. Okay, children? You also have na? See? And now I'll show how to plant a seed, children. See here, I have a glass with soil. See here, I have a glass of soil here. And now here I have methi seeds. Here I have methi seeds, children. See here, methi seeds. These are methi seeds. Yes, now I'm going to put these methi seeds into this soil. Into this soil. Okay, and then I'll give some water also. I'm giving water also in this. Okay. Okay, children, this is glass of soil, and in this, what I put? Methi seeds. Okay, I did before only, children, to show you. See, later I got like this. 3 days. Within 3 days, you'll get like this, children. Methi leaves will get. See here, can you see? Yes, he already prepared for you to show you this. Okay. See, if you put like this, we'll get within the 3 days, we'll get the methi leaves. Like this, you can put coriander, methi, all the leafy vegetables we can get. Okay? Coriander will get within a week. You will do na, children. You do this today, and after 3 days, you send the pictures to me. Okay, children, you do na? Yes? Okay. So plants are of different shapes and sizes. I told you na that the small plants only become, some plants will become very big. They are called trees. Some are small only, they are shrubs, and some are very tiny plants. They are called herbs. And here I am going to show you some leafy vegetables, children. Here see, this is mint leaves. Here these leaves are very small na. These are mint leaves. Okay. Pudina will say na, pudina. And this is spinach, palak, spinach. They are rich in vitamins, children. If you eat, you will get good health. Okay, daily we have to eat leafy vegetables also. And here this is coriander. This is coriander. If you put dhania, you will get coriander. Okay, kothimir. Okay, you'll get in this within a week, children. Methi will get within the 3 days only. And this, oh, you have coriander, you have Surya Teja, very nice. You smell it, children. If you have at home coriander or pudina, come on, bring for me and show me. If you have palak, any leafy vegetable, if you have. See here, these have very soft stems. See, these are having very soft stems. We can eat this stem also. We can eat this stem also. Oh, very good, Gritik. If you have, come on, smell it. Otherwise, if you not have later also, just you smell it, touch and feel it. Touch and feel it. Yeah, very good. You have curry leaves also, Suraj, Teja. Okay? Oh, very good, Charvi. It is a coriander you say. Smell it. Very good, Jnanashruti. Very good. See, these are having very soft stems. These leafy vegetables, these stems also we can eat. Okay? Yes, these are good in vitamins. We'll get, yeah, leaf. Yes. Jaisimha, what is there in your hand? Show me. You have any leafy vegetable? Oh, very good, Pragna. You have. Okay, very good, Charu. You are smelling? Yeah. Very good. Pragna, very good. You have palak and coriander. See, if you smell mint leaves, you'll get a good smell. You'll get a good smell. Coriander also. This coriander also, you'll get very good smell. Okay, children? Yes. Jnanashruti, you have coriander only. Yes. Okay. You smell and feel it. You touch and feel it. Okay, children? These are very small. These are seasonal. These are called as herbs. Very tiny plants. These are very tiny plants. Okay? Yes. So, some are big. What happened, Aradhya? You have any leafy vegetable? Any? Not have? Okay. Later you can do. Later you can see. Okay? And today you plant a seed also, beta. Okay, after 3 days you have to show me. You send the pictures to me. Yes, show me what is there in your hand, Jaisimha. Show me. Okay, so we get cotton also, children, from cotton plant. See here, this is cotton. We get cotton from plants only. We make clothes with this cotton clothes. From where do we get cotton clothes? From this cotton only. Okay, so plants give us so many things. The plants give us shade. Plants give us shade. See, we need air. We need air to breathe. We need water to drink. We need food to live, isn't it? Like us, plants also need air, water, sunlight, and food also. Okay, so daily you have to give water to the plants. Okay, children, daily you have to give water to the plants. Okay, yes, some are flowering plants. Some plants give us only flowers. Some plants give us only vegetables. Some plants give us only fruits. Like that, so many plants. If you see around, you can see so many plants. Big, smaller, climbers, creepers. Okay, children? Yes? And plants make us our world beautiful. See, if you go garden, if you go park, how you feel, children? You feel very comfortable, na? You feel fresh, na? Why? Because everywhere greenery you can see, and they give us air. We get good oxygen, isn't it? Okay, so we have to plant the trees. We should not cut the trees. We should save the trees. And when you plant a seed, you have to give water also. We should not live like that. Daily you have to give water also. Okay? Yes, children? You understand, all of you? Yes? Okay, show me your thumbs. Show me your thumbs. Okay, now stand up. We'll do one rhyme. Come on, stand up, all of you. Someone will say the rhyme, children. Come on, sing. All of you say along with me. There is a color we all know. Green. Plants are in green color, na children? Yes? There is a color we all know. Green. It is a color that means go. Green. Oh, grass is green and lettuce is green. Leaves and spinach are green. Oh, very good, Aradhya. You are Korean. Okay. There is a girl. Smell it, Aradhya. Smell that. Aradhya. Smell. What, Pradyumna, what you have? Smelling. Is it green? Green color. Yeah, very good. Very good, Pradyumna. You have green color. Yeah. There is a color we all know. Green. It's the color that means go. Green. Oh, grass is green, lettuce is green, leaves and spinach are green in color. There is a color we all know. Green. Okay, clap, children. Now one more Hindi one we'll do. Okay, come on, say along with me. चना कैसे बोया रे. चना ऐसे बोया रे. चना किसने बोया रे. चना मैंने बोया, उसने बोया, तुमने बोया, सबने बोया रे. Okay, चना कैसे डाला रे. चना ऐसे डाला रे. चना कैसे उगा रे. चना ऐसे उगा रे. चना कैसे खाया रे. चना ऐसे खाया रे. Okay, you like it this? Something we'll do tomorrow. Okay, children? We have to do our dictation also. Some more rhymes we'll do tomorrow. Okay? All of you sit in your places now. Now, first we'll do the recap of the letters, children. Later I'll tell the dictation. Okay? All of you, look at the slate. Just I'm telling the phonetic sounds, children. Everyone should repeat after me. No need to write first. Just to look at the slate and say along with me. Phonetic sounds. A, B, K, K, D, D, A, Fa, Fa, Fa. I want everyone to repeat after me. Fa, G, G, G. Come on, Jaisimha, repeat after me. Okay, green color ring. Very good. Ha, ha, ha. E. Come on. E. Say E. I say E. Ja. 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 Ka. 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 La. 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 Ma. All of you look at here, children. Ma. Ma. Na. 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 O. 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 Pa. Pa Pradyumna. Pa Pradyumna. See, Pa Pradyumna. Qua. Pa Pragna. Yeah, Pra Pragna also. Yes. Pa. Qua. R. Ra. Ra. Sa. Ta. Saireyansh. Sa Saireyansh. Sa Saireyansh. Ta. Ta. O. 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 Va. 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 Ya. Ya. Ya Yavi. Ya Yavi. Za. 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 Chachavi. Chachavi. Aradhya. Aradhya. Gagnaneshruti. Gagnaneshruti. Gagritik. Yes. Papradyumna. Kakriyansh. Kakriyansh. Sasurya Teja. Sasurya Teja. Ja Jaisimha. Ja Jaisimha. Look at me. Ja Jaisimha. Look at me. Ya Yavi. Okay. Yes. Now, see, we already learned that letter J, na? Capital letter J. Once again, I'll show you the formation of J. Later, we'll write in the notebook. See, just you have to write a standing line and a curve. Left curve, left side, and a sleeping line on the top. This is capital letter J, children. Ja. Ja Jaisimha. Okay. Ja Jaisimha. J, capital letter J. Okay. Now all of you open your notebooks, English notebooks. All of you open your English notebooks, Pragna. If you not have books, Nat beta, you can write in the paper or in the slate. Otherwise, if you have 4-rule notebook, you can write in that. Okay? Yes. Come on, open your book. But yeah, very good, Charvi. Very good. Pragna, see, and now I request the Pragna's parents, ma'am. Now I am going to take the dictation. If she knows, let her write. Otherwise, just you leave, ma'am. Today we have random dictation in alphabet A to I. Okay, all are ready, children? Come on, we'll do fast, beta. We'll do fast. Now, I request the parents you please write the date on the book and dictation is the heading. Today's date is 7-9-2020 and dictation you write down heading. I request the parents please help the children to write the spelling of dictation. D-I-C, D-I-C-T-A-T-I-O-N. D-I-C-T-A-T-I-O-N. Dictation. Okay? First letter is, just you should listen the letters, children. Which letter I am telling, you have to listen carefully and write. Okay? A. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Done. Next, small letter C. Small letter C. Listen, capital letter or small letter. Within the lines you have to write. You're writing in 4-rule notebook. You know the formation, how to write now. You have to write in the correct formation. Small letter C. Small letter C. Okay. Then capital letter B. Capital letter B. Aradhya, are you writing? I am taking dictation. Write in the notebook. Take out your notebook, English notebook and write. English 4-rule notebook. You know all the letters very well. Come on, write fast. I'll give you star. Come on, fast. Yes, done the third one. Capital letter B. Saireyash, are you writing? Yes? Show me your thumb. Okay, very good. Okay. Capital letter B after small letter A. A. Small letter A. Come on, fast, Aradhya. You write in the notebook. Sharvi, you are doing very nicely. Okay. Then capital letter C. Fifth one. Capital letter C. Capital letter C. Fifth one. Number 5. Fifth one. Capital letter C. Aradhya. What, Ganeshruti, are you writing? You know, Pragna, you are writing. Very good. Very good. Later you send the picture to me. Okay? Then sixth one, small letter B. Very good, Ganeshruti. Small letter B. Come on, fast, madam. Small letter B. Small letter B. Okay? Then the seventh one. Yes, Charvi, you're writing, Charvi. Small letter B. Sixth one is small letter B. Then seventh one, capital letter E. Capital letter E. E, a elephant. E, capital letter E. Capital letter E. Very good. And then eighth one, small letter D. 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 Then ninth one, small letter E. Ninth one, small letter E. Ninth one, small letter E. At the end again I'll read the letters. Then you can check again. Okay, then 10th one is capital letter D. 10th one is capital letter D. Capital letter D. Then next, capital letter F. F. Capital letter F. F. Capital letter F. Okay. Then 12th one, small letter G. 12th one is small letter G. 12th one is small letter G. Small letter G. Yavi, what happened? However, you know it right. If you don't know means again we'll practice the letters. Okay? G, small letter G. 12th one. And the 13th one is small letter F. 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 F says F. F. Small letter F. Small letter F. Very good, Nanashruti. Very nicely you are showing your formation in the air. Very good. Then, very good, Yavi. Then capital letter G. Pragna, say the letter along with me. You are writing, yeah? Okay, you know means you write. G. Capital letter G. G Gagritik. G. Capital letter G. Then 15th one, capital letter I. Capital letter I. Capital letter I. Capital letter I. Then 16th one, small letter H. Okay. Small letter H. Yeah. Very good, Pragna. Small letter H. 16th one is small letter H. Very good, Pragna. Then capital letter H. 17th one, capital letter H. 17th one is capital letter H. Capital letter H. Then the last one, 18th one, small letter I. 18th one, small letter I. Small letter I. Small. Yes, Charvi, you are still in small h beta. 17th one is capital H right now. Next 17th one is capital H. You should write in a vertical way. Straight line, if you write means, you can write neatly. Okay, let it be. Now let it be. 17th one capital H and 18th one is small letter I. Last one, small letter I. Once I will read the letters from first to last. First one is capital letter A. Capital letter A, first one. Number 2, small letter C. Very good, Surya Teja. Very good, Surya Teja. Small letter C. Then third one, capital letter B. Capital letter B. Fourth one, small letter A. Fifth one, capital letter C. Sixth one, small letter B. Very good, Charvi. Very good, small letter B. Then seventh one, capital letter E. Very good, Dhanashruti. 8th one, small letter D. Very good, Charvi. 9th, small letter E. 10th one, capital letter D. Check once. 11th one, capital letter F. 12th one, small letter G. 13th one, small letter F. Small letter F. Then 14th one, capital letter G. 14th one, capital letter G. Then 15th, capital letter I. 16th is small letter H. 17th is capital letter H. And the last one, 18th one is small letter I. Very good, Aradhya. Very good, Charvi. Later, I request the parents, you please correct the letters. If they did wrong, you please make them right 3 times and send the pictures to me. Very good, Aradhya. Okay, children. Yeah, very good, Yavi. Very good. Very good, Dhyanashruti. Very good, Pradyumna. Very good, Sai Rayansh. Kriyansh. Very good. Very good, Gritik. Very good, beta. Very good, all of you. See now, I'll show you a new smiley today, children. For all of you. Yes. A new smiley for everyone. Look at this. Yes?
Elephant.
Elephant face. Elephant face. Okay? Yes, you like it? You like it? Okay. You're jumping. You're showing like that your happiness, Sairaya. Okay. Very good. Now,
Thank you.
notebooks, children. See, just I'll show you that. I request the parents, first in one page, capital letter J, make them write date first, 7-9-20 and CW, capital letter J. In the 4-row notebook, capital letter J, you make a standing line from first red line to second blue line, then left curve, little curve, it should go left side, then a sleeping line on the top like this, capital letter J. Capital letter J, you write in one page, full page, and send the pictures to me later. Don't write now, children. I request the parents, please write on the first line. And later children will write, ma'am. Okay, like this, capital letter J. Finish the work and send it the pictures to me. Okay. Now I'll share the screen of 3-letter words. Three-letter words. See, this is the picture of bat. B at bat. B at bat. B at bat. Yeah. You all of you say along with me, children. Cat. Cat. K at cat. K at cat. K at cat. Mat. Mat. I request the Pragna's parents, you please write down these letters, ma'am. 3-letter words. I request Pragna's parents, you please write down these 3-letter words in English notebook. Mat, ma at mat. Just you have to make them read, ma'am. No need to learn the spelling. Just with the help of the phonetic sounds, they should read. They should be able to read the letter, read the word. Ma at mat. Rat. Rat. Ra at rat. Ra at rat. Hat. Ha at hat. Ha at hat. Ha at hat. See, I request the parents 2 more act words we are adding, ma'am. I request the parents in act words, you write down these 2 more words, 3-letter words. Act words. In act words, we are introducing 2 more new words. Just you write down that and make the children read it. Fact. For act fact. For act fact. For act fact. Then sat. Sir at sat. Sir at sat. Okay, these are the 2 new words from AT actor. Just you write down these 2 and make the children read. Act. Old we have given previously, no ma'am, act words. There you can write these 2 words. And now these are and words. And words. Ka and can. Ka and can. Fa and fan. Fa and fan. Man. Ma and man. Ma and man. Pan. Pa and pan. Pa and pan. Repeat after me. Van. Va and van. Va and van. Next, app words. Ka, app, cap. Ka, app, cap. Tap. Ta, app, tap. Ta, app, tap. Lap. La, app, lap. La, app, lap. Nap. Na, app, nap. Na, app, nap. Map. Ma, app, map. Ma, app, map. Next, am words. Ja, am, jam. Ja, am, jam. Ram. Ra, am, ram. Ra, am, ram. Dam. Da, am, dam. Da, am, dam. Yam. Ya, am. Yam. Ya, am, yam. And today we are learning ag words, children. I request the parents to please note down these 3-letter words, ag words, in a fresh page. In a fresh page, I request all the parents to please write down these ag words in the English notebook. Ag words. Repeat after me, children. AG is ag, 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 ag. Ba, ag, bag. Ba, ag, bag. Very good. Time kids bag. Very good. Ba, ag, bag. Then tag. Ta, ag, tag. Ta, ag, tag. You can see on this your new clothes, na children. Yes? You can see this tag. Ta, ag, tag. Ta, ag, tag. AG is ag. Ta, ag, tag. Then wag. Wag. Va. Moving. See how it moves its tail. Dog moves its tail, na? Wagging. Va, ag, wag. Va, ag, wag. Va, ag, wag. And this is old cloth, children. Rag, rag. Old cloth is called, dirty cloth is called as rag. Ra, ag. Rag. Ra, ag, rag. Ra, ag, rag. These 4 new ag words you please write down in the children's English notebook and make them read this also, ma'am. And one more maths notebook. In the maths notebook, already we have done backward counting from 10 to 1. Again, in one page, make the children write 10 to 1 backward numbers. Okay? You send the pictures to me. I'll send the homework also, ma'am. Through WhatsApp, I'll send the homeworks. Today, English, number 1 and these 3-letter words also. Just all of you stand up now. We'll do our dispersal prayer, children. Okay, come on, join your hands. Thank you, God, for this day, for all that we learned at work and play. Thanks for the blessings, large and small. We could never count them all. Okay, bye-bye, children. See you tomorrow. Okay, you do your work well and send the pictures to me. Okay, bye. Bye, Pragna. Bye, see you tomorrow. Bye Charvi, bye Aradhya, Yavi, Gritik, Kriyansh, Pradyumna. Bye Sai Rayansh. Bye Siriteja. Bye Pranashruti. Say bye. Bye Jaisimha.